guys, welcome to my channel Candy Perler Fairy. So today I'm gonna do a quick tutorial to build my melody, this little cutie, because I know a lot of you really like this one. It's really popular on Pinterest. But I know that I did a live video like a couple months ago, but I think a lot of people didn't notice. So I decided to do a quick tutorial to build this one. This one is super cute. I love the design. So hopefully you're gonna build this one as well. But before we start, I want to show you the new 3D Perler that I designed it, which is this one. It's the Sonic. It's inspired by one of the toy that I saw like he has, and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna build this one. This one is super cute. So it's a lot of pieces, but actually it's very easy to put together. I also built the mini one. Well, I designed it with the mini one to start. So it's super like fun to play with, and I personally like the mini one, but the big one's really good for picture. So hopefully we get to build this one soon. So I also built this project. It took me like a week to put together. This is not my design, but I love the design. The designer did a really great job. This beetle card is really pretty. It's brilliant. It's just a lot of detail, a lot of pieces to build. You know, every day I spend like 2 hours to build the pieces, and finally I was able to build all of it. And then it took me like almost 4 hours or a little bit more to put together, because you know, it's really hard to have all the pieces click together in the right place, and then some of the instruction is a little bit tough to understand, but I'm really happy and excited to have this one. So I just want to show you how cool this one is. Yeah. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel by clicking the button and the bell, so you're gonna get notification whenever I post new video. And if you've been subscribed, thank you so much for all your support, and I'm gonna continue making more video for you guys. Alright, so let's get started with my melody today. Yay!
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos.
Let's build a head. It's gonna be very easy. As you can see, we have all these connectors here, and I put them in order, so it's very easy to build. So let's go with the second piece and this connector right here. So we're gonna go here and then insert the first piece, and then we're gonna use these two connectors for the sides. Yep, just like so. And then now we can start putting these pieces to the back. So let's turn it over on the side, and then we're gonna go here. So feel free to take your time to go at your own pace, or you can follow my pace. Yep, just like so. It's pretty easy. As I put them in the order, it should go. So wow, this is a really quick tutorial. I hope it's very easy for everyone. Yep, we're almost there. Last piece is coming. So it should be like this. Like flatter. Oh, this one is supposed to go this way. As you build my pattern, you know, build with me, you know that I always like to find the last gap. Yeah, looking good. All right, so let's move these up. So these will be the side on each side. So it will go this way and then cover with this. And then let's turn to the other side. This one. And then cover with this. And then one more to the bottom. Then we're done with how my melody's head. All right, let's move on with the body. Alright, let's build the body. So as you can see, here are the pieces, the layers, and then the feet, and then the connectors. Okay, so this is gonna be the beginning piece, and then this is gonna be the tail. So it's gonna go this way. Alright, so and then we're gonna go second piece. So we're from the left to the right. So third piece. It's pretty easy. And then here, maybe I'll add this connector right here for now. Yep, because when you have too many layers, it's hard to insert. Okay, all right, so we're almost done here. As you can see, last piece. All right, so this is the little tail for my melody. Oh, okay, so it looks like this one I have a gap, so I'm gonna flip it over. All right, one more, looking good. And then, so you can see here I have the bottom, which is the feet. It's gonna go this way, like this, and then this way, like this. But it's actually not very stable, so I totally recommend it using hot glue. So I'm gonna do it right now to show you. Oops. So you just apply a little bit right here, and then quickly push it over there. So this way it's gonna stabilize this piece. Yep, looking good. And then on this side, the same thing. We wanna make sure that it lays flat. And then just add a little bit on the center, as you can see quickly. And then pull this one in. Hold it tight for maybe 5 seconds, I would say. All right, so we got the head, the body ready. And then now we're gonna add the head onto the top. All right, that's how easy it is. Let me fit this, please. Looking better. All right, we got my melody today. So if you build this one, tag me on Instagram so I can see your my melody. And stay tuned for the upcoming tutorial. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.